Large lot west/golf views of number 2 of Golden Marsh. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 CG. Large, enclosed porch in rear for extended living space. Large open paver patio. Renovated kitchen and master bath. Golf cart for sale separately. Offered fully furnished/turnkey. Impact windows and front door replaced and hardy plank siding on entire home, all done in 2008. New water heater 2017. Plantation shutters. New garage floor. Bar has frig. Harbor Ridge is a private, mandatory membership community featuring 2 18-hole golf courses, tennis and pickleball courts, dog park, fitness center west/pool, waterfront clubhouse west/several dining venues and more. $125,000 equity membership and joining fees required at closing, $1,000 refundable. Monthly HOA fee includes club dues, trail fees, POA, village HOA, capital funds, water/sewer.